Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have discussed the first type of turnover ratio, which was inventory turnover ratio. Now in this session, we will be discussing the second type of turnover ratio, which is trade receivable turnover ratio. So as we know, trade receivables is a current assets. It is included in current assets, and trade receivable includes debtors and bills receivable. So these two terms are included in trade receivables. Now, trade receivable turnover ratio basically expresses the relationship between credit revenue from operation and average trade receivables. So this ratio expresses relationship between credit revenue from operation. Now credit revenue from operation can be calculated as total revenue from operations minus cash revenue from operations. So to calculate the credit revenue from operation, we will subtract cash revenue from the total revenue from operations. Now by calculating trade receivable turnover ratio, it is important to note that the debtors will be taken before making any provision for doubtful debts. That means if debtors is given and provision for doubtful debts is given, then we will subtract provision from doubtful debts from debtors. Now there is another term which is to be calculated under trade receivable turnover ratio, which is average collection period. And the formula to calculate average collection period is number of days or months divided by trade receivable turnover ratio. So now formula for calculating trade receivable turnover ratio will be trade receivable turnover ratio. It will be calculated by dividing credit revenue from operations divided by average trade receivables. Now, we have already studied that to find out credit revenue from operation, we will subtract cash revenue from operation from total revenue from operation. So to calculate average trade receivables will be calculated as opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivables divided by 2. So this is the formula for calculating average trade receivable, opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. Now here is the question based on trade receivable turnover ratio. Question is, calculate the trade receivable turnover ratio from the following information. Total revenue from operation is given rupees 4 lakh. Cash revenue from operation is 20% of total revenue from operations. Trade receivable as at 1st April 2016 is 40,000 and trade receivable as at 31st March 2017 is 1,20,000. So as we know, formula for calculating trade receivable turnover ratio is trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to net credit revenue from operations divided by average trade receivables. So to calculate net credit revenue from operations, we will deduct cash revenue from operation from total revenue from operations. So cash revenue from operation is 20% of total revenue from operation. So 20% of total revenue from operation will be 20 upon 100 into 4 lakh. This will be a cash revenue. 20 into 4,000 will be 80,000. So 80,000 is the cash revenue. To calculate credit revenue, we will deduct cash revenue from total revenue. So credit revenue is equal to total revenue minus cash revenue. So the amount of total revenue is 4 lakh rupees and cash revenue is 80,000. So the amount of credit revenue will be 3 lakh 20,000. Now average trade receivable is calculated as opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. So average trade receivable will be, opening trade receivable is given rupees 40,000. Closing trade receivable is given rupees 1,20,000 divided by 2. So 1,20,000 plus 40,000 is 1,60,000 divided by 2, amount is 80,000. So here credit revenue from operation is 3,20,000 and average trade receivable is 80,000. Now we will put this amount in the formula. Formula is net credit revenue from operations divided by average trade receivable. So net credit revenue from operations amount is 3,20,000 divided by average trade receivable. So average trade receivable amount is 80,000. So by dividing 3,20,000 by 80,000, we get the trade receivable turnover ratio as 4 times. So this is how question based on trade receivable turnover ratio is calculated. Now sometimes in the question it is given to calculate average collection period. So average collection period will be calculated as number of days or months divided by trade receivables turnover ratio. So let's suppose we have to calculate the average collection period for number of days. So number of days in a year is 365 and our trade receivable turnover ratio was 4 times. So by dividing 365 by 4, we get the amount 91.25. So the average trade collection period is 91.25 days. So in this session, we have learned the concept of trade receivable turnover ratio and the question based on trade receivable turnover ratio. In the next session, we'll continue with the another type of turnover ratio. That's all for today. Thank you.